Hello there, baking enthusiasts. Welcome to our kitchen today. We're about to embark on a delightful journey into the world of homemade cupcakes, and trust me, it's a lot simpler and more rewarding than you might think. Get ready to fill your home with the sweet aroma of freshly baked treats. Making cupcakes is such a fun and satisfying project, perfect for any occasion or just because. We've got a wonderfully straightforward vanilla cupcake recipe here, along with clear instructions to guide you every step of the way. Let's dive in and create something truly special together. First, let's gather our ingredients for these basic vanilla cupcakes. You'll need 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and ½ cup of unsalted butter, making sure it's softened. We'll also use ½ cup of milk, whole or 2% works beautifully, and 2 large eggs. For that perfect lift, we'll add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic flavor, and just 1/4 teaspoon of salt to balance everything out. Now, let's get baking. Our first step is to preheat your oven. It's important to get this right for even baking. So set your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 175 degrees Celsius. While the oven is warming up, let's prepare our cupcake liners. Line a muffin tin with about a dozen paper liners. This makes removing the cupcakes a breeze and keeps them looking neat. In a large mixing bowl, we'll start by creaming together the softened butter and sugar. Beat them until the mixture is light and fluffy. This process incorporates air, which is key to a tender cupcake. Next, we'll add the eggs, one at a time, beating well after each addition. Then, stir in the vanilla extract. Now, in a separate, smaller bowl, whisk together your flour, baking powder, and salt. This ensures the leavening agent and salt are evenly distributed throughout the flour. We're going to add the dry ingredients to our wet ingredients in alternating additions with the milk. Start by adding about 1/3 of the dry ingredients to the butter mixture, and mix until just combined. Then, add half of the milk and mix again. Continue this pattern, ending with the dry ingredients. It's really important not to overmix here. Just mix until you no longer see streaks of flour. Overmixing can lead to tough cupcakes. Once your batter is smooth and beautifully combined, it's time to fill those prepared liners. Spoon the batter into each liner, filling them about 2/3 full. This gives the cupcakes enough room to rise without overflowing. Now, carefully place the muffin tin into your preheated oven. We'll bake these for approximately 18 to 22 minutes. You'll know they're ready when a toothpick inserted into the center of a cupcake comes out clean. Once they're baked to perfection, remove the muffin tin from the oven and let the cupcakes cool in the tin for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. This prevents them from getting soggy. And there you have it. Perfectly baked, wonderfully simple vanilla cupcakes, ready for your favorite frosting or to be enjoyed just as they are. Baking from scratch is such a rewarding experience, and I hope you feel a great sense of accomplishment with these. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen today. I hope you have a fantastic time making and enjoying these delicious treats. If you enjoyed this, please consider following along for more delightful recipes.